Welcome back to the Google Classroom Masterclass. We're going to go into the people section here, and we've got Joshua in the people section too. Now for a student, they are only able to email out. So here we can email a person, it will go straight into their Gmail. Now we don't use Gmail, as mentioned before. We use Outlook. So we are able to copy the link address if we want, and we're going to go and get a mail to function. However, the students will be able to go to their Outlook and just go into their Outlook folder and email us directly. However, in the teacher section, they will have a teacher and they can invite a teacher here. So whoever their teacher is, I can go and add this and then invite this teacher to their class, and this will populate over here. Inside the students, you have bulk functions as well as inviting students directly. Remember that the students can just join using the code, which is by far the fastest way, but you can invite students with email. The bulk functions are here, so you'll have all your students in this big long list right the way down here, and then you can go and email them, remove them, and mute them, which is quite handy. You can invite the students and then email the student individually. However, again, Outlook, we have lists for students, and so it makes it quicker that way for us. Inviting the parents, you get the same invite sheet, share sheet, and so again you can go and invite those parents and invite them into this class, so they're able to get all the work that you're subscribing them to, as well as things on the stream. So this is quite handy because in fact I'm not sure that they can see the stream. Someone will have to go and clarify that for me, but they can definitely get the classwork, and so they can see what their students are doing and what's actually coming up for them. Okay, that's it for the people section. Next we're going to go into our marks.